Hi vitepos lovers! Welcome to the vitepos tutorial. In this video, we'll explore what's new in vitepos 3.1.5 and how these updates can enhance your POS experience. Let's get started. Comprehensive reporting module. Order token number system. QR or barcode generator for tables. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. To access the new POS reporting module, follow these steps. Go to the POS panel. Scroll down and click on the report module. Here, you'll find different types of reports. Dashboard report provides an overview of key metrics. Daily report view transactions for each day. Order report detailed breakdown of orders. Product report insights on product sales. Customer and staff reports track customer activity and staff performance. You can filter these reports by outlet and by date range. The available time filters include daily, 1 week, 15 days, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, or any custom date range you prefer. After applying filters, you can download the report as a PDF. For an in-depth tutorial on the reporting module, check out the dedicated video in the description below. Order token number system. The new order token number system helps organize and track orders efficiently. Here's how to enable it. Go to the vitepos admin panel. Navigate to Settings, Basic Settings. Scroll down to find the token system and enable it. Once activated, you'll see a token prefix field where you can set a custom prefix for your tokens. Additionally, if you want the tokens to reset daily, enable token resetting every day and set a reset time. Displaying the token number on receipts, go to Print Settings. Under the Order tab, enable Token. Customize the token label and choose whether the token appears in the header or footer of the receipt. Now, head to the POS panel, complete an order, and you'll see the generated token number on the receipt. Try placing another order to confirm the system is working correctly. QR and barcode generator for tables. With this feature, you can generate QR codes or barcodes for tables. Here's how. Go to the table module and click on the QR code tab. Select the table and customize the note and note position. Choose a page size or create a custom page size by selecting Add Custom and configuring it as needed. This makes it easy for customers to access table-specific features using their mobile devices. After saving, your page will appear in the page list. Select it and print the QR code or barcode. That wraps up our vitepos 3.1.5 update. We hope this tutorial helped you understand the new features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next tutorial.